Hey, I'm Carlin and this is Roadside Recipes with Yama Vans. Today we are making jam-filled donuts. They are easy, delicious, and sure to impress all your camping companions. Let's get started. All right, so we just need a handful of ingredients for this recipe. We're gonna need some canola oil, biscuit dough, we're gonna need some cinnamon sugar, and your favorite jam. I'm using strawberry. All right, so we're gonna start by heating oil on a medium-high heat until about 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, if you don't have a thermometer, that's okay. I'm gonna show you a little trick. One way to tell if the oil is ready is using the back of a wooden spoon. And if you put it into the oil and see tiny little bubbles forming, then you know it's ready. So we're using pre-made biscuit dough. This keeps it super, super easy. So just open up your package. All right, so we're gonna cut these in half and then form them into some small balls. Once the oil is ready, we're gonna fry the donuts on both sides until perfectly golden brown, and then roll them in some cinnamon sugar. All right, so now we're gonna make a small incision with a knife to the middle of the donuts. To fill the donuts with jam, I'm using a reusable pastry bag. You can also use a clean Ziploc bag and just cut the end off the one corner. And there we go. These are the perfect sweet ending to your night out camping. We hope you enjoy. See you next time.